Hello everyone, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem of Instagram add to story not working. For example, I have to open Instagram and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Now take a random picture or video, and now you have to click on the send icon, and there you see the option of your story. If you can't get the option of your story, so it means that it's a bug, because there is no reason that Instagram stops you to send pictures or videos to your story. Oh, but if you don't get the option of send to your story, so you have to come back and open your mobile settings. Now there you see the option of storage. Click on it. You can see that your phone is showing all the storage used by, so you have to click on simply the cleanup, and now you have to come back and go to the app management and open the app list. Now you have to open the Instagram here. On the third you can see the option of storage and cache. Click on it, and you have to clear all the cache at, from the bottom. In this way you can fix the problem of Instagram story button not showing. I hope you like the video, but if you still face the problem of your Instagram story button, so you have to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it. In this way you can fix the problem. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.